Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can run a Laravel project downloaded from GitHub. So this is really simple. So first of all, you need to go to the GitHub project, whichever you want to run in your computer or laptop. So first of all, you need to go to the project and you will see the code option. Just click on the code and here you can see this command. You can also download the project using a command. You just need to write git clone and then this, or you can just download it from here using zip. So we'll just download it using download zip. So we'll just click on it and it will start downloading. Here you can see it is downloading and the download is complete. So after downloading, you will see the file option. You just directly click over here, or you can just go to the download section. So we'll just click on it, click from here, and here you can see this is our project that we just downloaded. So let's just cut the project from here and we'll paste it inside new volume F over here. So we'll just paste the project here. So this is our project. So first of all, we need to unzip the project. So we'll just right click on it, and then you will see extract all option. We'll just click extract all, then click extract. You can see the project is unzipping. So depending on the project size, it may take different time. So here you can see the project unzip is complete. This is the zip project and this is the unzip one. So we'll go inside and there you can see there's one more folder and this is the project. So this is our unzip project. So let's go inside and here you can see the Laravel structure. So first of all, what we need to do is that we need to go to the command prompt. So we'll open a command prompt over here. We'll say cmd, then press enter. So first of all, you need to go to the project directory. So we are in the project directory and we're going to say here composer. You can say composer install or composer update, anything. So we'll say here composer install, then press enter. So it will install some required packages for our project. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the composer install command is complete. So after that, what you need to do is that you need to open your project using your code editor. So you can use Visual Studio or Sublime Text, whatever. So I already opened the project using Sublime Text over here, as you can see. So once you open the project using your code editor, you just directly need to go to the .env file. So here you can see we do not have any .env file. So here you can see .env.example. So we just click on it and first of all we'll rename this .env.example to .env. So here we'll just remove the .example from here, then press enter. So here you can see the name change to .env. So right now here you can see the database name and the username. So for my XAMPP, the username is root and password is null. So we'll keep those empty. And after that, here you can see DB database. So I'll just copy this and we'll just create a database for our project. So let's go to our PSMyAdmin. So here I'll click new. Then let's say database name will be HMS. That doesn't matter. And then click create. And here you can see the database created. So after creating our database, we need to go to our command prompt again and make sure you save the .env file. Okay. So we'll go to our command prompt again and we're going to say over here php artisan migrate and press enter. And there you can see a lot of table is migrating. So right now, if we just click on HMS, our database, over here, you will see a lot of table that is migrated. So after that, we need to write two more commands and let me just show you. Let's just go to our .env and here you can see app key is empty. So we need to generate app key. So for it, we need to go to our command prompt again. And here we are going to say php artisan key clone generate. And there you can see application key set successfully. And here you can see app key is created. So we'll run one more command and which is php artisan storage clone link and press enter. So this command will link our public folder with our storage folder. Here you can see public with storage folder. It will create a link. Okay. So after that, only just one thing left, and that is php artisan serve. Press enter. And there you go. Our project is running. So we can just copy this now. And we'll just go to our browser, paste this over here, press enter, and there you go. We are able to successfully run a project from GitHub. So this is our project, everything is properly over here. So if you want to see the comment, I already write it in the notepad over here. First of all, you need to download the project. You can download the project using git clone, this command. Then go to the project directory, run the command composer install, modify the .env file, and you need to run those commands, and that's all, you are done. So this is how you can download a project from GitHub and run it in your local device. So thank you very much for watching, and if you want to create a e-commerce project using Laravel, then you can check out the video on the screen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the future tutorial.